In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your TRX4 Sport and make it look a little bit more scale by adding 8119 TRX part, snorkel and mirrors. I think you'll agree, it looks pretty good. This is Rex, my TRX4. Well, this is his body, and today we are going to be fitting the TRX-8119 window, mirror and snorkel kit from Traxxas. So you will need a body reamer or something similar to punch the holes which are marked out on the window masks, and you will need some sort of X-Acto knife, or as you can see, but I've got like a Stanley blade with a sharp, razor sharp knife piece in it. They do include this window masking kit. We're going to do the left window first and get that out of the way. So I'm not actually going to fit any of the stuff. I'm just going to get the mask supplied and put the holes in. As you can see here, I'm actually using a Dremel with a little reamer bit in it as well, which really does make life a lot easier when you're doing tasks like this. So getting these in is a little bit tricky. I've just worked out if you can get a fingernail or a tool on the opposite side that you're coming through, and eventually, there we go, eventually you'll get your bent R clip into the spot that you want. And there she is. I think I might get my silver paint pen and just paint the front of the grille. So this is nice for doing detail. I could actually do the TRX letters in silver. Let's have a little look, see what that looks like. I think it would be difficult to argue that that doesn't look better. What about those letters? So not the tidiest of jobs, I'll agree. I do think that looks pretty good.